There are a variety of ways to add an appointment to your calendar. First of all, make sure you've got calendar chosen in your navigation pane. And then from the Home tab in the ribbon, you could click the button New Appointment, or notice the shortcut key is Control N for a new appointment. Alternatively, I could double click to create an appointment. And immediately I'm confronted with this particular window. I need to put a subject for the appointment, so I'll put Client Meeting. And I could type a location or choose it from the drop down if I've used that location several times. I can then set a start time by typing either Thursday and pressing Tab. If I go Shift Tab, I go backwards. I could type Fry for Friday, Tab, or Shift Tab to go backwards, or I could just put the 25th of the 7th. The meeting is to start at 1 p.m, so I'll put 1p, and then Tab, Tab, and it'll go to 3 p.m, so I'll put 3p, and Tab. So I filled in the details of my appointment. What you need to notice also is the reminder has been set to 30 minutes. So 30 minutes prior to this appointment, I will get a reminder pop up on my screen saying that I've got a client meeting in the boardroom at 1 p.m. Also notice it's showing the time as busy, but I could change this to out of the office. And ultimately, I can save my appointment by clicking the Save and Close button to the far left of the Appointment tab in the ribbon. And I have an appointment on the 25th from 1 till 3. It's a client meeting in the boardroom. So that's one way you can create an appointment, is from scratch. A common way to make an appointment is from an email. For example, if I go to the inbox in my navigation pane and I have an email requesting an appointment, then I'll simply drag the email to my calendar in my navigation pane. This automatically creates an appointment and I can add further details. And I can keep it as busy with a 30-minute reminder, and I'll save and close. And all the details about the meeting will be in the message. Save and close. When I go back to my calendar, mind you, I don't lose the email either because I've created an entirely separate item based on that email, so that's handy. You don't lose your email, but when I go back to my calendar, I can see I've made an appointment here, which is a new employees induction meeting in the boardroom. I can move this appointment down because that's not till later, and so I've created an appointment from an email. If I double click an appointment, I can view the details of the appointment and save and close. So there's two ways to create an appointment. Either double click your calendar or go to the Home tab and choose New Appointment and create an appointment from scratch, or just drag an email from your inbox and drag it to the calendar. If I take this particular email and drag it to my calendar, I can create another appointment. And this is for Friday at 4:30. And save and close. And I've just created another appointment.